Number 6, wala. Rebound by number 4 of nagtutore. Number 20, nag-dribble off in the gun. Pass to 13, back to 20. To 9, nagtira. Well on the basket. 2-1, the number 9 of in the gun. Number 14 of Paraon, nag-dribble. Pass to 27. Number 27 na zero. Nagpitong referee on the basket. On the basket. Number 20 pass 10. Loose ball saved by number 27 of Paraon. Pass to 14. Number 14 dribble, pass to 1. Number 1 left, 2 points and number 1. Number 20 dribble off in the gun. Number 20 pass to 9. Shot clock 10. Wala, rebound by number 10 in the gun. Wala, rebound by number 4. Nakatip wala, block by number 1. Pass to shot of Paraon to 14. Number 14 dribble. Pass to 12. Nagtira on the basket for 3 points. Number 20 of Indagan dribble. Pass to 20. Nagtira pula. Rebound by number 1 of Paraon. Pass to 14, number 14, pass to 27, number 27 dribble back to 14, to 27 again, pass to 12, shot clock 10, 9, 8, wala, rebound by number 20 of Bentagan, 8 minutes remaining time, pass up, traveling violation, 7:56 remaining time, 7:56. Number 14 of Bentagan, nag-dribble. Pass to 12. Number 12 nag-dribble of Bentagan. Pass to 1. Up. Lost ball. 2-8. 6-point lead of Paraon. Number 20 nag-dribble of Bentagan. Pass to 13. Nagtira sa 3. On the basket for 3 points. 5-8. 3-point lead of Paraon. Number 14 dribble of Paraon. Pass to 27. Shot clock 10. 9, 8, 7. Iba may number 9 of Bentagan. Number 9, Nadia on the basket. 7-8, 1 point lead. Remaining of number 20 of Bentagan, nag-dribble. Nadia, wala, iba may number. Lost ball. Up, napito referee. Offensive foul number 4 of Bentagan. Second team foul, first personal foul. Number 14 of Paraon, nag-dribble. Pass to 27. Number 27. Oh, nakita referee. Number 20 nag-dribble. Pass to 10. To 4. Number 4, close ball. Saved by number 12 of Paraon. Number 12 nag-dribble. Pass to 27. Number 27 to 14. Lost ball. Sakti to 17. Number 20 nag-dribble. Pass to 4. To 13. Nagtira. Wala. Up. Nagtira ng 3. 6 minutes remaining. Number 9, remote pass to 12. Oops, saved by number 13. Open the gun, but the 10 nag-wrap. Up! Nagpito. First attempt, no good. Last throw, rebound. On the basket. 8 all. Number 9, nag-reball, pass to 12. Number 12, nag-reball, para on. To 6. Number 6, nagtira. Wala, ito may number 1 again. Loose ball. Number 12, pass to 5, nagtira. Wala, ito. Wala number 10, pass to number 20. Loose ball. 5:27 remaining, 5:27. 8 all ang score. Number 9, nag-reball off para on. Off na pitong referee. Number 5, nagtira. Wala, rebound by number 12 off para on. Pass to 1. 2 points and number 1 para on. Number 42, nag-reball off in the gun. Pass to 23. Nagtiap, wala. Rebound by number. Lost ball. Para on ball. 4:50 remaining, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Number 5, nag-reball, pass to 12. Number 12, nag-reball, para on. Pass to 9, check lock 10, 9, 8, still by number 10 of in the gun, pass to 42, number 42 nag-reball, pass to 23, back to 42, number 42 nag-reball, check lock 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, on the basket by number 23. In all. 4 minutes remaining time. 4 minutes. Number 12, nag-reball para on. Nag-pass to 6, nagtira. Wala. Rebound ka number 23 of Bintagan. Number 23 to 42 of traveling violation. Number 9, nag-reball para on. Pass to 12. Number 12, nag-reball. Pass. Sa clock 10. 9, 8, 2 points by number 12 of Paro. Number 42, pass to 13, back to 42 to 10 na. Tira, wala. Rebound by number 1 of Paro. Pass to 9. Pass to 46, close ball. 3:05 remaining time, 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 18 seconds shot clock, 18 seconds. Number 12, nagtira. Tapos, rebound by number 13 of Intagan. Pass to 10. Pass to 23. Number 9, nag-reball para on. Pass to 12. Nagtira sa press. Wala. Rebound number 10 of Intagan. Nagtira sa 3. Foul. Number 42, nag-reball in the gun. Nagtira. Wala. Rebound ka number 13. Nag-react. 2 points by number 13. 12-0. 2:15 remaining time. 2 minutes 15 seconds. Number 9, nag-reball para on. Pass to 1. Number 1, nag-reball. Pass to 5. Nagtira. 2 points by number 5. 2 minutes remaining time, 2 minutes. 12 12-14, 2-point lead of Paraon. Number 42, nag-revolve of Indagan, pass to 13, back to 42, set clock 10, 9, 8, 2 points by number 23, 140 remaining time, 140. Number 9, pass to 5, nagtira, wala, rebound ka number 10 of Indagan, pass to 13, number 13 nag-revolve, to 4, Nagyat, wala, ibang number 26 of Paraon, lost ball, substitution ref, 118 remaining, 118. Number 5, level of Indagan, lost ball. Number 5, pass to 17, number 17, attempt, wala, ibang number 1 of Paraon, pass to 24, number 24, nakuha sa number 1 of traveling violation. Number 5 of Indagan Agadimon. Pass to number 35. Nagyat, wala. Wasang number 1 of Paraon. Pass to 24. 2 points by number 24. 45 seconds remaining. 45. 40. Number 1 nagtira, wala, iba may number 26, pass to 9, 30 seconds. Rebound ka number 5, 20 seconds. Stay by number 15. 12 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the first quarter. Score 14-16, 2-point lead of Paraon.